In today's video, I'll teach you how to book a flight in Hopper. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Hopper application. You can see over here, Hopper application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here at top, you'll be able to find the options like hotels, flights, cars, etc. Simply tap on the option flights. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the flights interface. From here, you'll be able to search for the flights. Tap on the option search flights. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the options for round trip, one way, multi-city over here. Simply tap on the option of your choice. If you selected the option for round trip, what you have to do is simply input your departure and destination city. For that, what you have to do is tap on the option where from. Now what you have to do is enter the departure city over here. After you do that, you'll be able to see the airports over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Likewise, you'll also have to select the destination city. For that, tap on the option where to. Now what you have to do is enter the destination over here. You'll be able to see the airports over here. Tap on the airport of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll be able to select the departure date and return date. Simply tap on this field. Now you'll be able to see the color coded calendar over here. The green color is for the best deal, rate for the most expensive. For example, if you want to select the color green, over here you'll be able to see the price too. For green color, it is Canadian dollar 619 plus. So simply tap on the option of your choice. First of all, select the departure date. Now select the return date. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on this option, select these days. Now you can see over here, these days will be selected. Also, you'll be able to find the option for details over here. Right now, one traveler is chosen. If you want to edit it, you can tap on the edit option. After that, you'll be able to edit the travelers. You'll be able to find the option for adults, children, infants over here. You can simply edit it according to your choice and tap on the option apply. Also, you'll be able to find the options for include basic fares, non-stop only. If you need these options, check these boxes. If you do not need, simply uncheck these boxes. Now tap on the option search. Now simply wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom right corner, you'll be able to find the option for view flights. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to view the flights over here. You'll be able to find various options. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now you'll be able to find the details regarding the flights over here. You'll be able to find various options. So what you have to do is simply tap on this option, select this outbound. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find more details over here. Tap on this option, select this outbound. Now you'll have to select the return. Simply tap on the return flight of your choice. Again, tap on this option, select this return. Now tap on this option, select this return again. Now you'll be able to see the fare details over here. Simply review these details. Now tap on this option, continue, that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here the traveler has been chosen. Simply tap on the option continue, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to choose the payment. If you have any cards added over here, you'll be able to select them. If not, you'll be able to find the option for add a card. Simply tap on it. Now after doing that, you can see over here you'll be able to add new card. Simply enter the card details over here and tap on this option save card. Now after you do that, select this card as the payment method. Now simply proceed to the payment and complete the transaction. After you do that, confirm the reservation. After booking, you can manage your reservation directly on the airline's website by copying the confirmation code and accessing their site through the app. So like this, you'll be able to book a flight. So that is how you book a flight in Hopper. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.